Hello, in this video, let me talk about exploring cyber intelligence alternatives for countering cybercrime. Abstract case study as JNTH JAC website, an attempt to find lacuna in the prevailing cyber laws and the IT Act 2000 and related Amendment Act 2008, CERT in and ICANN organizations. Introduction. Intelligence, artificial intelligence, web intelligence, cyber intelligence, and other is cybercrime and forensics, which includes cybercrime definition. Here, cybercrime and perpetrated against a nation, a case study. First one is State Emblem of India, Act 2005, for regulation of commercial and improper usage of emblem of India, description of national emblem, and the other is provisions. No person can use the emblem or any colorable imitation in a manner so as to create an impression that is associated with or an official document of the central government or state government, as the case may be, without taking permission of the appropriate government. No person can use emblem for commercial purpose or as a part of patent title, trademark, or design except in cases as specified by the central government. Registration of intellectual property containing the emblem is prohibited. Central government has the power to regulate and make rules for proper usage of the emblem. Usages: the official seal shall have the emblem enclosed in an oval or a round frame with the name of the ministry or department written within the frame. State government can use the emblem or a part of it after taking permission from the central government. The emblem can be displayed on important government buildings like Rashtrapati Bhavan, Parliament House, Supreme Court, and Central Secretariat, Raj Bhavan or Raj Nivas, and state legislature, high courts, and secretariat buildings of the states or the union territories, premises of India's diplomatic mission abroad, India consulates abroad. The State Emblem of India Rules 2007 lays down the person who can use the emblem in official stationery, cars, etc. Computer Emergency Response Team consists of team of experts at CMU, plays key role in elimination of malware and computer worms on internet. CERT in India Computer Emergency Response Team, formed in 2004, whose motto is handling computer security incidents. Functions in the area of cybersecurity include collection, analysis, and dissemination of information on cyber incidents, forecast and alerts of cybersecurity incidents, emergency measures for handling cybersecurity incidents, coordination of cyber incident response activities, issue guidelines, advisories, vulnerability notes, and white papers relating to information security practices, procedures, prevention, response, and reporting of cyber incidents. Such other functions relating to cybersecurity as may be prescribed. Next is Internet Corporation for Assigned Names and Numbers. CANN coordinates the Internet Assigned Numbers Authority functions. Key technical services critical to the continued operations of the Internet underlying address book, the domain name systems. The IANA functions include the coordination of the assignment of technical protocol parameters including the management of the address and routing parameter area, top level domain, the administration of certain responsibilities associated with Internet DNS, that is domain name system, root zone management such as generic and country code, and top level domains include the allocation of Internet numbering resources and other services. RIPE-NCC, one of 5 regional Internet registries, provides Internet resource allocations, registration services, and coordination activities that support the operation of the Internet globally. Cyber laws versus Indian context. Legal issues related to the use of the Internet domain areas include Internet access and usage, privacy, freedom of expression, and jurisdiction. Provide legal recognition to e-documents, provide a framework to support e-filing and e-commerce transactions, and provide a legal framework to mitigate and check cybercrimes. In India, no thorough control for the nation authorities to check and eliminate the cybercrimes perpetrated against the nation and its peoples. Indian laws are not able to devise mechanism together with Internet Engineering Task Force successfully for controlling the cyberspace. Cyber law should be regulated such that their prevalence and provisions do not cause any threat to national sovereignties across the world. Conclusion. New semantics of intelligence, which are distinguishable from general intelligence in the context of advances in the field of ICTs. Explore cyber intelligence and cybercrime by reporting the case study approach. The example of JNTJAC website could mean that clues or evidences of cybercrime could be difficult to capture for a general forensic expert. For example, in our case study, by manipulating the image file in the home page, the clues of cybercrime can easily be made to disappear. It is presented that the usage of the state emblem of India in a website in a way that is prohibited by the State Emblem of India Act 2005 is a cybercrime perpetrated against India by an organized group known as JNTJAC, which is a culprit group committing a cognizable crime. It is brought out that CRT is a remedying organizational setting with respect to the cybercrimes in India. Further, ICANN is identified as an organization relevant to blocking a website which involves incriminating culpable content relevant to a cognizable crime. It is felt that cyber laws are not well led to map the cybercrimes within the resultant punishments. Thank you.